Hey everyone, I made it into Homegoods, so I don't see anything too new for Easter. Oh, this one's kind of cute. Let me pick it up. Just like a little flower bowl, and that's really adorable right there. Check out this napkin rings. Okay, they are 15. They're really cute. They're beaded. Let me see. Get them in the light a little bit. Can we see that? Okay. It gets so dark in here. Okay, and that is 5. So in a different location, they have a blue one that has a nice bird in the middle, and the bowls will be 4, and that's 5 right here. Okay, more lemon and bees. The bee mug is here. Ooh, look at this black and gold. These are nice too. The stirring spoons. Okay, let me pick one of these up. 13 at $12.99. And that's a plate. Find your balance. And they have like the little soup ones. Okay, those are cute. And Charlie Brown is here, of course. Thing 1, thing 2. And let me get to this ladybug. Little ladybug. Oh my gosh, I just watched that movie the other day. Ladybugs, $12.99. I forgot how good that movie was. Choose happy, you got this, and always be kind. I thought there was a butterfly in there. Bunny napkin rings, gotta be careful. And they also have a blinged out egg one. Don't want those to fall on anything. Wow, I can't believe how quickly like Easter decor has come. Okay. The back wall. Oh, the chickens or the roosters. There's a mushroom, you guys. On a different location, we found the mushroom. There's one. A $15 and lovely cake dome. Check these out, $29.99. Okay, look at that vase on top. I thought it was gonna fall. It looks really different, right? Olive oil. Oh, look at this one. These are cute too. Those are $2. I love this glassware. Pineapple slicer. Oh, look at the top, $5. It's kind of cute. I love this one. This is really simple. $5. Maybe I'll grab it. For the fresh orange juice. These are $7. Okay. What is that? Microwave vented glass lid. Huh. Let me pull it out. So you just put it on like a bowl. I normally use like a wet paper towel. I do. $4. Okay, that's cool. And you put that back.
Yeah, we're not fancy.
No, I'm not fancy. I'm normal. Okay, you get 4 in here. Those are pretty large. This one's really nice too. I feel like this one would go good with more like freshly lemonade. It is 100% recycled glass. Those are my favorite. And in this one, you get 2. Then we have your lunch containers, different designs on top. They get you to eat your lunch. You know how sometimes you sit in your car? I do. I sit in my car and eat lunch. And I do not like when somebody parks next to me. I have to put up the wind cover, the visor, yeah. Oh, this one's different.
Excuse me.
And glassware. I know we've seen these before. Really, really nice. The bee is here. Oh, check this one out. It's a new design. This little chick one's cute. Was that chocolate?
Yeah, Thin Mints for afternoon.
Oh, Thin Mints? Oh,
Yeah,
those are kind of fancy ones. They're kind of big.
Yeah, the original price is $10 on them for these. I wonder how much their real price was.
These chairs are $500. I do love them, and they do swivel. They also have a nice green one, and on top, $40. And like this whole base right here, hold on, there we go, is $250. You put a little, maybe TV if you want. I don't know, more plants, coats, I don't know. These are all like drying racks. What is this one? 15? Oh, like a snack. Okay, like for your pantry.
Register, Ron, thank you.
Baskets like this. It's like a grayer one. And the bigger baskets go on. It's so cute.
They may as well just sell puzzles already stuck together.
Okay, not as much decor here, but we're gonna have a lot of outdoor pillows. Look at these DKNYs. Let's see. Oh, no price, but there's plenty to choose from. They have like kind of a stripy one. See if I can find a price on the tag. An orange, navy blue. So some looks like 25. Here's a fruit one. They have a watermelon. Oh, no strawberry today. Oh, I'm not pulling that out. Look at this one though. For 15. There we go. It's a party pillow. These are 20, like a cute bee blanket. These are by Isaac, so it looks like most of these are 20. Get a little closer there. Many fun prints to choose from, but I like that pillow. The party one. This bad boy will be $300. Look at him. He is cool. I like that base though. Tons of blue. Oh, that could be cute for a little kid room. $80. I like that base. I love it. Oh, that's kind of cool too. 70. I'm trying to pan slow, you guys, because I know sometimes I can move really, really fast. But when there's like people, it's like I have to like move. Okay, everything here. Nothing too exciting. Nothing too poppy. It's been like that in a couple locations. $100. Who makes this one? Alexa Hampton. All whites over here. Okay, and their furniture. This is all they have for furniture. This one's made in Mexico. That's $130. No. You can smell the rugs. Isn't that kind of weird? Yeah. She's doing it for us.
You ruined this one. I was gonna say it was a good one.
And look at this one, $800. $720. Then we have the fuzzy swivel one for $500. Oh, look at the peacock. Then we have the cobra. The cobra is back. It's kind of nice one. Look, they have them in all black. I never seen that. And 20 for this one. These are pretty interesting. Normally I just find them in tan. 25. I wonder if they painted it. Vintage fashion. What is this one? New fashion designers. That's 40. Contemporary. They normally have like good stuff. I haven't seen any good books lately in Homegoods. Have you guys found some? Because we used to have like the Beekeeper's Bible and all types of cool stuff. And everything for wall decor has been an animal. Like the animal ones. Love, love, love. Oh, there's like little mirrors on top for... That looks like they're only 13. How you doing? Oh yeah. $29.99, but I feel like we could find that guy at Hobby Lobby, right? Elephant in a bathtub. All right. Lemon lavender, ocean mist, limoncello. A lot of sand and fog. Let's see, wild honey nectar. Tula, Mexico. What is this one? Lavender coconut. I thought it said thunder. I don't know why. Here's lava. Ooh, lava. I made it into their bathroom decor, and I think this might be it for this location, you guys. A lot of flowers, a lot of wreaths, a lot of garden pots, like taking up a lot of shelves. Stools if you need them for your vanity. Do your little makeup. I like these wooden ones, like the bamboo ones. That's kind of cool. For 15. Let me look over here real quick. Go down here. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. 60K NY. Then we have like your trash cans.